Welcome students, this is Dr. Denny Shaji from Xavier's College, Jaipur from the Department of Political Science. So today we are going to learn about the term constitutionalism. To specify, constitutionalism is an idea which helps a country to run and govern smoothly. There is another term called constitution. The term constitution is actually the set of ideas which are written in a book form. And constitutionalism is the idea with which maybe that constitution is written, or maybe that it helps with certain principles to identify the form of government. And constitutionalism is another point that I would tell you, it is so much associated with democracy. So let us learn about the principles of constitutionalism first. So when you talk about the principles of constitution, that is independent judiciary is associated with constitutionalism, separation of powers is associated with it, accountable judiciary, and transparency is also associated. So when you have constitutionalism in a country, all these aspects, they come naturally to the understanding of the citizens of a country. There are another few principles that are associated with constitutionalism, that is rule of law, justice in society, a written constitution, and protection of rights. So when you have constitutionalism in a country, it becomes easier to establish these principles, and it becomes easier for citizens of that particular country to follow those lines. And then we need to understand another aspect, that what is the significance of constitutionalism? What is its importance? Why, if it is in a country, it becomes easier to work? It helps in the protection of rights and liberties. So you don't have to actually first debate, discuss, because it is already established in the mind of a democratic people that protection of rights and liberties are important. Also important is maintaining order and stability, promotion of democracy, and encouraging accountability in a. So when you have these things, when you have constitutionalism, it becomes easier to establish those democratic norms which otherwise would be limited to a constitution. Maybe it is just like written in a constitution, it is not in a practice. So I can state a sentence by saying that when in a constitution you have those set of laws, constitutionalism helps in working of those principles. So talking about the significance, I would like to give you an example. Like in Britain, you have unwritten constitution. The constitution is not written. You have few documents to actually to say that it is there's a written form of constitution, but most portions of UK or Britain constitution is unwritten. So how does that constitution, how does that country work so well? How the functioning of that government is so smooth? It's because the establishment of constitutionalism is so strong. People understand those thoughts even before it is written in the paper. That makes UK or Britain constitution most effective. So I would tell you that constitution is so much an important part of any polity in the country, because it helps in the establishment of those principles and people understand, so that it helps in the smooth functioning of a government. So for now, thank you so much to be with me, and we'll meet with another topic. Thank you so much.